All right, now that we've learned how to download a picture from our Google Classroom, we're going to upload that picture into our program today. So to do that, the first thing that we need to do is open up an internet browser. Where you would type in the address, you're going to type in lunapic.com. And once you're in lunapic.com, it's going to look something like this. And I will put the name of the website in a direct link for you in your Google Classroom. Once you're there, there are two ways that you can put a picture into Lunapic. You can click Upload, and if you click Upload, you're going to notice that in the workplace in the center it says Choose File. And you can click on Choose File. And then you want to make sure that you go to your downloads. If you click on your downloads, you're probably going to find that picture or image that you downloaded from your Google Classroom there for you to use. So you can click on it, then you can click the word Open, and it puts the picture in the page for you as well. Now, if you do not have that picture of our keyboard in your downloads, you can also go up to the word File, hover over it, and look for Open from URL. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down from the top. It says Open from URL, and you're going to click on that. And you're going to see that in the workspace in the middle there it says HTTP // and you're going to want to put your picture or your image in from your Google Drive. To do that, you're going to go to your Google Classroom, click on it, go to your Google Drive, and from your Google Drive you're going to see your picture of your keyboard. I'm going to click or double click on my keyboard so that I open it up. And then you're going to notice up here in the web address that your URL for that particular picture is right there. I can click at the end of it, highlight through it all the way only to the word Drive. I'm then going to right click and click Copy, and then I'm going to open up my Lunapic tab. There in that workspace you're going to notice it says HTTP // I'm going to right click next to that, click the word Paste, put in my URL or my address for my picture, and click Go. Now you're going to get an error message up on your screen that says that this file is not an image. That's okay. It will still work. So once I'm to this point and I've got my picture of my image of my keyboard, I'm then going to go over to the far left. I'm looking for that paint can or the paint bucket, and I'm going to click on it. When I click on the paint bucket, it gives me different patterns or colors that I can choose from to color in my keyboard. If I want to choose a color, I can click Pick, and it gives me all kinds of different colors that I can try out. If I want to use a pattern, all I have to do is click on that down arrow or that caret as they call it in Google Talk, and I'm going to click on it, and you can choose any of the different patterns that you want in this particular table or grouping. So one of my favorite ones happens to be money, so I'm going to click on my keys, and you're going to notice that they all fill in with dollar bills or $100 bills. So I can fill in my keyboard that way with money. If I want to change it up, I can choose different pictures. Maybe I want to do some glitter, so here's some gold glitter. And you're going to notice that the picture moves each time because it's filling it in. So I'm going to color in my keyboard, and then I can go up and I can change my glitter again or whatever else I want to try. So I'm going to color this one in, and you're going to notice that some of them have movement, some of them don't. It just depends on what you prefer. Now, what happens if you make a mistake? Well, if you go down on this left-hand column where we found our paint bucket, if you go all the way down almost to the bottom, you're going to see an arrow going to the left. That's the undo key. If you click on that, it gives you a history of all of your keyboarding keys that you've done so far. So you can go back several spaces to fix your error. So I can click on one of these images to recover it. And now I can go back and fix where I want to fix. So that is how you use Lunapic. Now when you're finished with your keyboard, you can click or hover on File, and you can close the image out. You can also upload the image, or you can save the image to your computer if you want. So those are the ways that you can use Lunapic.